How to fix Instagram Reels not showing on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram Reels not showing on Android phone. First, to open the Play Store and then make sure your Instagram is updated. If you found here update, click on it and then just update your Instagram. And now let's move to the next step. Go to settings and then click apps and then apps again, and here type Instagram and click on it, and then click force stop and go to storage, clear cache, and click permissions, give it all of those permissions here, and that's it. Your problem will be fixed. Just restart your phone and try again, and that's it. Don't forget to like and to subscribe, and see you in the next video.